Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to iron an Agbada the right way. So first and foremost, you turn it to the back actually. Turn it inwards like this and give it a press on the design place. This one is a monogram design, so even at that you still have to iron it because the designing machine actually squeezed some places while designing the clothes. So you take your time and press the edges of the designs. Make sure it flattens. Then after that, you'll be pressing the joining by the sleeves of the Agbada. If you've not watched the video on how to sew this, you will need to watch it because I explained everything there. Then after ironing the sleeve line all around, the next place to iron is the sewing lines, both the sewing line below and the sewing line on the sleeves of the Agbada all around. Make sure you are not in a hurry because all these steps are very, very important. You sprinkle water on them and iron them to make sure they are as clean as possible. So you turn the sleeve step by step all around. Make sure you press them to be very, very flat and clean. So guys, if this is your first time coming to my channel, or you've been coming here but you've not subscribed, I would urge you to do so. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post new contents like this, you'll be the first to be notified. I post content on this channel very, very frequently, as frequent as possible. So like now we have over 100 videos and we are still adding up more, so that whatever you are looking for, you can find it on this channel. Whatever you are looking for concerning sewing, nail sewing, you get everything here. So guys, kindly subscribe and be part of the family. Also, I have a WhatsApp group where we meet as tailors to discuss issues and pressing issues, or whatever questions you have about your sewing, or you have a style someone sent you cannot address, you drop it there. Our professional tailors there will help you to navigate through the style. So that is it. So right now, after ironing the sleeves, we'll go ahead to iron the next parts of the Agbada. So I'll be ironing the second sleeve outside the camera because I don't want to bore you. I'll be ironing the second sleeve, it's two sleeves, outside the camera. Then afterwards, we'll press the down of the Agbada. So this is the down part. So I've rearranged the down part so that it can be easier to press. This is the down sewing. You sprinkle water on it and iron it very, very well. Make sure your iron is hot, but not hot enough to burn your clothes actually. So iron the Agbada, the down of the Agbada, just like this. Make sure you sprinkle water. Water is very, very important. Very, very important. So these are the primary steps to take before you start folding or doing the normal pressing of the Agbada. You have to follow all the sewing lines with your iron and make sure that everything is looking good. So take your time when you are pressing this Agbada. Don't be in a hurry. If you're pressing Agbada, you don't be in a hurry. Press it gradually so as to get everything clean. So the next thing we'll be doing is to bring out this edge line between the two sewing. Make sure you use your pressing rag, whatever you're pressing on the front part. Make sure you use your pressing rag. So right now I've ironed it to give me that line at the bottom, the edge line at the bottom. I do the same thing to the other parts. Bring out the edge line. So right now, after I've brought out the edge line of the Agbada, I'll use the edge line now to get the top edge. So right now I use the edge line of the down, straighten it this way, and I got the edge of the top of the sleeve. So I created a point there, just make a mark there so that you can connect it with the shoulder later. On this point too, you get the edge also on the second side of the Agbada of the sleeve. You get the edge and iron it out. Just make a little mark there. So right now you can go ahead to use your mark to connect the remaining part of the shoulder. So guys, once more, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. Kindly do so. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post content, you'll be the first to get it. So now this is the regular or normal pressing to straighten any squeezes in the clothes. So after this, now you fold the cloth this way. You know, it's a very big cloth, so it's not balanced on the table. It's bigger than the table, but still you have to get a way of pressing it well. So right now, pressing the neck part of the Agbada. Arrange it well and iron the neck. After ironing the neck, then you arrange it and connect the line with the sleeve line that you created. So this is where the sleeve line was. So I've connected the line to the line I created in the Agbada shoulder or the neck. So after that, I just iron the normal part of the Agbada to straighten it out. Afterwards, now I fold it. This is the first fold. The first fold won't get to where the design is, because in Agbada we are folding it up to 3 times or 4 times. Unlike a regular native that you just fold twice. Here we fold up to 4 times. This is the second part. This is the second time. Folded the first one. This is the second one. Then on this part 2, this is the third one. This is the third fold on the Agbada, and this will be the last fold, which is the 4th. So as you can see, it was folded 4 times. I forgot I didn't connect this line, so I had to connect the shoulder line of this part. As important as anything. So that is it before I complete my folding, which is the 4th fold. So now make sure everything is balanced before you place your iron on it. Make sure there are no gathers inside, otherwise it will end up spoiling the work you've already pressed. So this is how it is. So guys, if you have any questions, you can feel free to drop it in the comment section and I'll reply to all of your questions. If you have any contribution, I'm open to receive from you, to know what you are thinking, and also to reply accordingly. So guys, once more, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. As you can see, the Agbada has been ironed and it's looking beautiful, ready for the customer to collect it. So this is it. This is the final step. You arrange it this way. As you can see, it's beautiful and looking nice and waiting for the customer. So this is just how it is. This is how to press your newly sewn Agbada. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now.